How do we blur a background in Premiere Pro? Okay, it's not the nicest thing in the world to do, but I'll show you how to do it because I like you and I'm nice. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our video. Of course, that's a given. Then head up into Effects. Then you want to find something called Gaussian Blur. I always spell it wrong. Gaussian Blur, here it is. Okay, drag and drop that onto your video, and then in your effect controls, you want to press this little pen tool under Gaussian Blur. Okay, pretty much you want to just draw around your guy. Okay, I'm going to rush this just to show you how it works, but when it's on your actual edit, take a bit more care. So this is how you do it. Really fast. Let's just zoom all the way around. This is going to get really tedious. Okay, you're gonna have to do this more than once, unless you have a miracle and your path is absolutely perfect. But that's how you do it. Then just connect your dots at the end as well. Okay. Then the first thing you want to do is press Mask Path. Okay. Make sure your timeline is at the beginning before you press this. Let's press it. You're going to have a load time. Now that load time is done, you can see it's not looking great. Okay, so let's go to where it starts messing up first. Really, I'm kind of happy with that there. There is where it really starts to get bad, and you just want to adjust. Okay, I'm going to speed run this. Once you've finished doing that mask path, you need to press this play button again. Okay, just to reset it. It's going to load again, and then it's done again. The mask path messes up again towards the end. You're going to have to go back to where it starts messing up. So it's looking okay there. Here is where it starts to move. Okay, I'll do it one more time, but when you're doing it yourself, you're just going to have to keep doing this. Okay, that's the final time I'll do it, and then I'll press that play button one more time, and it's going to load again, and then it looks a lot better. Okay, this third time around. I'm not going to do it anymore. If you want to do it more, that's fine by me. You just do that. I trust you. You're a smart guy. We'll go. So once that is done, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down and tick this inverted box. Okay, and it's going to mean that it's going to affect the outside of the mask rather than the inside. Okay, then of course, pretty obviously, you're going to then adjust your blur to whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to put it at 42. Okay, roughly. You choose it to whatever you want. Okay, once your blurriness is done, you then essentially want to make it look good. Okay, so the way you can do that is by mask feather. Okay, and it's going to blur that. So that looks pretty good. Or if that's not working for you, mask expansion, which is just going to make your mask that little bit bigger. Okay, or a little bit smaller, whichever one you want. I'm happy with that. Okay, this is very choppy, but it's just to show you the method and how you do it. Okay, so we've got a blurred background now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.